Right, so we'll try and dig some out of here. At the moment, the water would have come round the corner in high levels, so we're trying to take some out of this area that goes down here past your cameraman.
Yep.
And we'll try and get some gravels out of the bottom here.
Yep.
In this creek, we're generally looking for fine gold,
Yep.
the flour gold.
Yep.
So take a few shovel loads.
Yep.
And we'll see what we can get out of that.
Well, I'm excited. I love
Can't
this.
wait. What about you?
This one, I
This is
think.
almost as good as
You think
fishing.
we're going to find something in that?
Dirt fishing.
Yeah, I think we're probably going to find some gold in that. I have high hopes for that one.
So do I, mate. So do I. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to, wheels on the bus go
Round and round.
round and round. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to go round and round. And we're just going to keep sieving this until all there is just rock left on the top. We don't want that. Get that out. And this is the important stuff.
So the idea with the big rock is just in case those little flakes are sticking to the bigger rocks.
Yes.
That's to get, okay. I was wondering
Exactly.
the
That's
big
why
rock
we're
was.
washing rocks.
Yeah.
All right, so I'm just going to go side to side until it just spills out over the lip. And when it spills out over the lip, I'm going to gently put it into the water and I'm going to pull back fast and up. And so it'll take all that rock off the top like that. It's a bit like pulling the tablecloth out from underneath.
And that's why those ribs are there, is it? And that's to stop any gold that
They will stop any gold.
Yeah.
If I'm shuffling like that, the gold will fall down into the heaviest part, lowest part in the pan,
Yep.
right down into the bottom. So I'm hoping that these riffles will stop anything from coming out.
I'm hoping too.
Now, if I put a little bit of water at the back of the pan here and I swirl, it'll take all that stuff off. And hopefully the gold will be left up the top of the pan there. And we'll see. See the black sand?
Mm-hmm.
It'll be under that pile of black sand. Oh, there's some.
Oh, look at that.
There we go.
Oh, first hit.
Phoenix, look at that. You were right.
First shot. Yeah.
Beginner's luck, actually. That was pretty good. Here I had panned 3 or 4 pans and nothing, and then you guys come along.
And there's a speckle right there. I've hit gold.
Here's a couple.
So, hang on, I just got to call the car dealership.
Yep. Red.
If you can get that Lambo ready for me, you're going to be there in 24 hours to pick it up. Thanks. There's little speckles there. That's gold. And that's my Lamborghini right there. Well, we found a few speckles, and James has just said to me something very cool, which I'm finding hard to believe. You think there's gold where we're camping?
Well, it's an old floodplain there, so that's when the creek level is quite high, that's where it's going to go to, and you're camped right on that floodplain.
So we've been camping on gold the whole time we've been here.
Well, we don't know. Let's go and test. Let's see if we can get
Let's
some.
go find if there's gold right where we're camping.